In this video, we will review passenger view talk and the rear passenger voice recognition system available on select Kia models. Here's how they work. To access passenger view on the navigation screen, swipe to the passenger view button and press. This will display a view of the second and third row seats so you can keep an eye on the kids, pets, passengers, or parcels without having to turn around. Passenger talk, which is in the in-cabin intercom system, can be accessed from the navigation screen or activated when selecting passenger view. The passenger talk button now is visible on the screen. Pressing talk now or pressing the overhead console button activates. The intercom system automatically muting the audio system allows the driver to have a conversation with anyone in the second or third rows. When finished, press end and the audio system will resume playing. You can also assign a custom key on the steering wheel to the passenger view or passenger talk functions by pressing the custom key, then selecting from the menu whenever you want to use your selected feature.